Rio de Janeiro.
The elation of being chosen to host the Olympics has awoken a world of challenges for Brazil, but that's not going to stop them from welcoming the world this summer. Hi, I'm Jordan Wade, and I'm a bit of an Olympic junkie. At Vancouver 2010, I fell in love with the Olympic movement. I followed the Games to London 2012 and produced a documentary on gay rights at Sochi 2014. And believe it or not, the Rio 2016 Games are right around the corner. That's right, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
With all eyes of the world on Rio this summer, will you want to know more? Will you want to dig deeper? Well, Real Rio will take you behind the official broadcast cameras, beyond the sports, and into the heart and soul of the local community.
With daily videos, images, and blog posts, and a plethora of help from the locals, Real Rio will deliver an unparalleled cultural experience right into the palm of your hand.
This is a big opportunity for you to get connected to the counterculture that is everywhere online. By joining us early at Real Rio, you'll get a chance to get connected and build credibility by being part of a grassroots movement.
There's a gap in Olympic reporting right now. There's a world of hardship, excitement, and creativity happening in the streets and in the communities around the Olympics. People want to see what we want to see. The real people of Rio. Join us on Twitter and Facebook and help us bring Real Rio to the world.